Hi, I'm Jake with the Graco engineering team. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks for installing 3 across with your True3Fit LX 3-in-1 car seat. Your car seat can be installed 2 ways, with the lower anchor connector provided with the car seat or the seat belt in your vehicle. We recommend for 3 across installations to use the seat belt as it provides more flexibility left to right in your car and maximizes the space that you have. Before installing 3 car seats in your vehicle, place them in the back seat to check the fit. There's a few things you should look for. The base should be flat on the seat. Car seats are allowed to touch, but they shouldn't overlap. Overlap could interfere with a proper installation. If you have 2 cup holders side by side and it's interfering with your installation, you can always remove one of the cup holders. If you have kids sitting rear facing and forward facing, you may want to stagger the rear facing seat next to a forward facing seat to maximize the space in the back of your vehicle. Now that you've checked the 3 across fit in your back seat, you're ready to install. We recommend to install the center seat first because it maximizes the space in your back seat, and it's really difficult to access this position if you have car seats already in the vehicle. Once you've installed it, check for tightness. Grab the seat near the belt path and move it left to right and front to back. You shouldn't be able to move it more than 1 inch. Now you're ready to install the other 2 car seats. As you're installing your 3 car seats, make sure to check the tightness of each seat independently. We don't want a seat feeling tight because it's braced against another car seat and leading to an improper installation. If you're using this car seat in booster mode for a 3 across installation, we recommend installing it on the side of the vehicle with only 1 buckle. This will provide easier access as your child is buckling in. If you're allowing your kid to buckle themselves in booster mode, don't forget to double check their fit. If you need more help with your 3 across installation, refer to your quick start guide, or you can reach us at gracobaby.com or on our social channels.